Well, just came back from a trip to Colorado and I found several packages here. So let's see, let's start with this little one. Oh, this is a magnetic car phone mount. I'm gonna actually do the whole unboxing in the car tomorrow morning. But from the initial review or the initial information I got, this is a really good product. So it's from the company PROfezzion. So we'll do that tomorrow morning in the car. Well, here I am with this GMC Sierra Denali electric pickup truck. It is an amazing truck, really amazing. Look at that, it has 390 miles of range. So for those who think that electric trucks don't make sense, you tell me if not. But anyway, but before I go out driving, let's try this phone mount and let's see how it goes here. So here are some magnet and sticky pads. This is not my car, so I will not be able to install it permanently. This is gonna go to some lucky fan of my channel. But basically here are the instructions. Let me see, what else do I have to see? Okay, let's do it. More or less all these things are similar. This one already has a magnet there, so already holds up there good. Let me see what this other part is for. This is the one that will go with the stickers here. Let me see. Oh, it will go in here. So this adjustable hook can go here in the vent. Make sure it has some good point of contact there. There it is. And the phone is there, so now you have it. Even though this truck has this huge screen, you still want to have something else if you don't want to. Well, actually not. GM doesn't allow you to use Apple CarPlay anymore, so all this is Google based. So here you can have your messages and everything else. So let's go out for a little ride and see how it holds up while driving. I love this electric truck. Oh, look at the water coming out of the cover. That's pretty cool. So this mount is really good for any brand, but now that GM products don't have Apple CarPlay, even though they have these huge screens, some of the models like this one, you can have your phone, you can have your other messages, texts, WhatsApp, whatever, and the screen. And as you can see, it holds up pretty well. So the magnets are pretty powerful, you can tell. I'm gonna go on the streets for now, but it's holding up pretty well, so let's keep trying it. So I'm gonna switch sides with it because on this side, on the other side, was interfering with the gear selector. So let me put it here. You can move it around, so angle it better. There you go. Oh, I like it there, much better. And that way we have all this free. It's a better view on this left side. I like it. And then again, if you want to install it permanently on your windshield or your dashboard here, this one is not really good for it because it's behind the screen. You can do that with these pads, and it comes with extra replacement pads and another magnet. It also has this one that is already hooked, and you can replace with this one that is straight up. Oops, you have to put this first. So depending on the position that you're gonna use it for, you pick which one is the best for you. There you have it, the PROfezzion magnetic car phone mount. It looks pretty good so far, so let's keep driving. We went through a little speed bump there, and like the magnet holds up really well. So there you have it, a really good product. It holds really well. Again, you can put it, depending on your car, on either side or permanently with the mounts there that are provided. But for now, I'm gonna leave it here in this truck.